Hello friends, good morning and good evening everyone. Your ALP here. Today I am here with one more guest, Ms. Yashvi with us. She is an electrical engineer and she did her MTech from Sajirao University, Vadodara in the Industrial Electronics Division. She did so many internships. She has around 1 year of experience in old-time transformers and so many internships she did at IOCL, at Goodscap and L&T Knowledge City, and so her journey is wonderful. She shared all her experiences, whatever the internship she did it, and how the internship went, how she got the opportunities for doing those internships, and so she explained it, and her professional life, the journey at Voltam Transformers. Also, she explained in a general way how she done the things, and we talk about the industrial electronics division. I mean the MTech project, whatever MTech, what course, whatever she did, she explained that also. Yeah, it's wonderful journey, guys. I hope you will find the information very useful. To watch this video till the end, you will get better understanding. And if you have any questions or comments or anything, then do comment in the comment section. So I am ready to help you. And if you want to be a guest on this channel, then let me know. I will schedule a call with you. And if you're watching this video for the first time, then do subscribe to this channel so that whenever I'm uploading videos, you will get notifications. You can simply click and watch it. Thank you guys. Keep watching. Hi Ashwin. Good morning.
Hello, good morning. Good
Yeah,
morning.
yeah. First time I'm watching you. So happy. How are you?
I'm fine. What about you?
Yeah, I'm also good. Yeah, warm welcome to you to our channel ALP Talks. Yeah,
Thank you.
yeah. Okay. So you are in Gujarat, right?
Yes,
Okay. Yeah. So I'm missing that Gujarat almost 5-6 months onwards. I am in my native Tirupati. Yeah.
okay.
Okay. Yeah. Nice. Yeah, Yashvi, just to say a few things about myself. Just I started this YouTube channel for sharing the knowledge, and I'm interviewing many people and a good academic background and the industry experts also. So that's what I can say. It's going well and helping many students and many professionals too. Yeah. So it's your turn here today. So warm welcome again to our channel. So let's speak few things about your educational background and professional background, and then we will discuss the topics. Yeah, proceed.
Okay. First of all, I want to tell thank you for this good initiative, as many people is having help with this. Um, let's talk about my qualification background. I have completed my bachelor's from Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel University, situated at Vasan, and
Okay.
then after I have 2 years of industrial experience.
Mm.
Okay, and then
Yeah.
I have decided to pursue my master's.
Okay.
So currently I have completed my master's
Yeah. Okay.
in electrical engineering with industrial electronics as a major subject.
Okay. Yeah. Okay, nice. So this industrial electronics, so that is a branch of this electrical engineering only. So, but generally, industrial electronics means I know many of my friends who are working in L&T and some other areas, particularly these industrial electronic zones, like designing of washing machines or designing of electronics or related items, what we are using in our regular houses like that. So what is your experience? Did you comment on that? I mean, what is this industrial electronics course is about? Generally, what things the subjects will deal, and what are the job opportunities? If you have any idea on that, so in that area particularly, yeah.
In industrial electronics, basically the course includes the designing of rectifiers, choppers, then drives, uh, inverters, and all. Then AC regulator is also part of it. So
Okay.
by this, we can design many drive, then DC to DC converters and all. These then course also includes this fact controllers. Nowadays in transmission circuit, we use this fact controller for reactive
Yeah.
power compensation and harmonic elimination. So
Yeah.
it is helpful for this. Uh, then it also includes filter like active filter, passive filters and all. So designing of all that component of filter, uh, these also include in this course. So it is a helpful and j- by for a job opportunity we can get a job in good companies like Alstom, L&T, then ABB. They all companies are designing drives related
Yeah, yeah.
drives, then is
Mm.
circuit breaker and all, so we
Yeah.
can get opportunity in that companies also.
Okay, okay. Yeah. It's wonderful journey. Yeah. So these
Yes.
industrial electronics are like a extension of power electronics or what? Generally, power electronics also almost similar, right? In that specialization also.
Yes.
So is this anything
Yes.
difference is there? I mean, anyway, yeah. Can you discuss? Yeah.
Actually, in course, we are dealing with low voltage and low current related
Mhm.
things. But in industries, we are the same design concept is applied on the higher side, higher current and voltage rating side. So vast difference is there only. Otherwise,
Okay.
it is a similar related to industrial electronics.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. 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 Got it. So the course completed. This already completed now.
Yes, now
Okay.
you are.
Yeah, I think some issue. Okay. Okay. So the course is going to complete this year, right? To, uh,
Sorry.
the your industrial electronics the MTech program is going to complete this year. Already completed.
Yes. This year I have completed that course.
Okay. 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 Yeah. 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 Nice. So how you came to know this branch? Generally, most of the people will do power systems, power electronics like that only. People don't dare to go to other areas. So generally, are you interested in these areas? That how can you comment on that?
Yes, actually, when I did my bachelor's at that time, I have I'm interested to learn. Actually, we have a subject related to power electronics.
Yeah.
So I talked with my faculty
Mm-hmm.
during my bachelor's that I
Okay.
want to explore this area more. So he told me this branch, and I am basically from Vadodara, Gujarat. So in Maharaja Sayajirao University, the university is
Mm.
having this course,
Okay.
specially structured course. So I
Okay.
uh, decided to join that course.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. So there are so many other courses like these, apart from regular conventional things. These will explore new areas of opportunities in the emerging companies. Yeah, yeah, it's nice.
Yes.
Okay, so we will move to the little bit about the projects or internship, whatever you did. And first, I'm with Gridscape Solutions. And Gridscape Solution, I think you work for battery management. So, can you speak few things about that? What it is and what is the internship? Generally, what they will do? Can you speak on it?
Yes. In actually during my internship at Gridscape Solution, actually I got that opportunity during my master's only, and I have done my master project in
Okay.
that area. So it's a basically intelligent battery management system.
Mm-hmm.
So it is a one type of doctor of that
Okay.
battery, and it shows all the readings of a battery, that is its
Mm-hmm.
charging condition, discharging condition, in how much time it will get discharged,
Mm.
and all that things. Then how many current is drawn, we are drawing how many current at that instant time. That
Mm-hmm.
all things are covered in the battery management system. Beside of this, that also includes the charging and discharging control of the cells, which
Okay.
are connected in series and parallel connection to achieve
Mm.
a particular battery DC output level.
Mm-hmm.
So that project is basically on that topic only.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. So whatever the cells are there, can you speak a few things about the cells, whatever the understanding you have? I mean, what is the cell voltages and what is the material generally they will take? Any understanding and any idea on that? Yeah.
In a cell, basically a basic structure of any battery is a cell, and it is made up of lithium ion. We can say that the that material is used in that cell, and it's
Mm-hmm.
level wise, it's basically 2 volt 4 volt uh,
Mm-hmm. Okay.
open circuit voltage of that cell, but
Okay.
we can use up to 3.8 volt due to
Mm-hmm.
some condition, so
Mm-hmm.
we can use up to that level.
Okay. 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 So many cells will be there for the in connection, like parallel series combinations, right?
Series and parallel, if we want a more current requirement due to
Mm.
the load condition, then
Yeah.
we have to connect that many cells in parallel, and then we have to make a series and parallel combination to achieve that current and voltage level of that battery.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. So is this like a software model or a hardware you did?
Actually, I would, it is a software side. Uh, okay, we have used a Kalman filter for that
Mm. Okay.
Kalman filter algorithm for that battery.
Okay. 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 So the Gridscape is like a startup or it's like consultancy? What is about that?
No, it is a startup type company.
Okay.
So,
Yeah. 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 Okay. No issue. Good. Good. Because these by electric vehicles, these battery operated electric vehicles are in a boom nowadays. So yeah, it will go give you some good opportunities also to speak upon and
yeah.
to grab it on. Yeah. Yeah. Nice. And let's move to the another area for internship. Like I think at LNG electrical automation, you did some internship, right? Can you speak upon it? What's that? And yeah.
After the completion of my bachelor, I got an opportunity to do internship at L&T Switchgear.
Okay.
It is a okay. At that time, actually, I was in a maintenance department. So, what is a
Mm-hmm.
TPO and all that thing, total productive maintenance,
Okay.
TPM, total
Okay.
productive maintenance, and all that things are
Mm-hmm.
how we have to solve the issues which are coming in the ongoing system. We have to solve that type of issues. Then
Okay.
we have to, yes, that all things I have done during my internship at L&T Switchgear.
Okay. Generally, what are the products they have? Is this like relays or what?
They are making relays and a circuit breaker, air circuit breaker. They
Mm-hmm.
are making
Okay.
to
Okay.
1250 ampere rating.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Okay. So where is the location of that company, LNC? Where it is
Sorry,
situated? Where it is situated?
where it is situated as L&T Knowledge City
Okay. Okay.
on
There. Oh, okay. There
near
itself.
Vadodara.
Okay. There itself. They are manufacturing.
Yes, manufacturing unit.
Okay. Okay. I thought it's only in the office. Okay. Okay. So
No, no.
there is manufacturing also there.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. So they are particularly manufacturing switchgear or any other services also there. I think that is the main office in India, right? L&T Knowledge City.
Yes, it is the main office, but is this L&T Switchgear is behind that L&T Knowledge City,
Okay.
and yes, it is making a relays of a small rating
Hmm.
to the air circuit breaker
Hmm.
of 1250 ampere rating.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Nice. How you got these opportunities at Gridscape or this L&T? Did you have any friends or colleagues or how you know?
Actually, for a Gridscape, they come to our campus for
Okay.
a placement related activity. So
Okay.
from I
Okay.
got selected from that, and I got an opportunity at Gridscape. But
Okay.
in L&T, my one my papa's friend is working there, so he
Okay.
told me. I told him that
Mm-hmm.
I'm interested for that internship, and he arranged that internship for me, and I
Okay.
had done that training type.
Okay. Okay. Generally, what is the duration of this internship at L&T?
At L&T, I served for 3 months.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. So, I mean, what is the nature of your routine at L&T? I mean, if you go morning, what you will do, what you have done for these 3 months? Can you explain in just brief manner? Yeah.
In a starting, I explored the L&T, various areas of L&T, as
Mm,
there is a plating of silver plated unit is also there.
mm.
So I used to visit that plant also. Then
Okay.
how the manufacturing of this air circuit breaker line, then
Mm,
other MCB, ELCB line. I
mm,
used to observe that all things for 15 days. Then after I started using that SAP software to
mm.
uh,
Yeah.
manage all that things, how errors are there in the manufacturing line, and how
Mm.
it is to be resolved by us.
Okay.
So then after I look into that matter. Then
Mm.
after there is event of Shingi Jutsu Kaizen. So it is basically
Kaizen
for
activities.
to
Yeah. Yeah.
yes, Kaizen activity. So I involved in that part also, and
Mm.
our team got a first prize during that,
Okay.
and we have a change entire assembly line within 2 days.
Okay.
So
It's
we
kind of
got
maintaining everything at the correct place, right? Kaizen activities.
yes,
Yeah.
yes.
Yeah. Yeah.
So we have changed entire one assembly line in
Mm-hmm.
2 days, and we
Okay.
have a first
Okay.
prize.
Okay.
That
You we means your friends, whoever the team is there.
yes, our
Okay.
entire team.
Mm-hmm. Wonderful. Yeah, that gives some good confidence also, and it is the
Yes,
reward for the work, whatever you did. Yeah.
yes.
Okay. Okay. Very nice. Yeah. So I'm moving to the another internship. I think you did at IOCL, right? So can you speak few things about that internship at IOCL? What is that and all? Yeah.
Yes, in IOCL there is a thermal power plant. So we used to visit that power plant, and then a substation uh,
Mm.
also. Yes,
Okay.
and then
Mm-hmm.
after winding and rewinding of motor, how induction winding rewinding of a motor is happen is that thing I we observe at IOCL.
Okay.
So
Okay.
yes, it is only a 15 days. So
Mm-hmm.
we used to visit at 9 a.m. morning to
Mm-hmm.
6 p.m. and observe that all things have means it's working of alternator, its
Mm.
nameplate and all thing. And then after we come to home, and uh, uh, from books we are come to know that this unit is for this purpose, and this is
Yeah.
for this
Yeah.
purpose this is maintained on this nameplate of
Okay.
alternator and motors and all. So
Mm-hmm.
we learned that many things during my
Yeah. Yeah.
internship at IOCL.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. So practically by observing all these generators, motors, alternators, how
Generator motors.
yeah, how is your
Yes.
thinking levels after that? Before that, you might studied in the academics, and after that, how is your experience after that internship?
It was a great experience, as we while we studying we thought that motor is of this small size, and we have seen motor of our home which is of a very
More.
small size, and we went there and see a motor, and alternators are of this huge size. So first of all we get shocked, and then after we come to know that for this much rating this much size of alternator and all
Required.
is required.
Yeah,
Yes.
yeah, yeah. Based on rating, generally size will be high. Particularly
Higher,
in thermal
yes.
power plants, all the things will be very high. The motors and alternators and everything. It's kind
Yes.
of big room, huge structure will be there.
Yeah.
Okay, very nice. Yeah. So, what's about your experience at a old time at a oil field and as well as dry type? Can you speak few things about that? Is
Yes,
this
in
at
Voltam,
Maneja or Savli?
actually, I had done internship at a Savli unit, but
Okay.
I have done job of for 1 year at
Oh,
that manager location
okay,
also.
okay.
So during my internship, we come to know the various parts of a transformer. There is
Hmm.
actually Savli unit is known for its distribution transformer.
Yeah,
So distribution transformer and dry type transformers. So we
yeah,
uh, observe all the accessories of the transformers. Actually, in a theoretical, we read that Bucos relay and all these things are there, and these
yeah.
are used for this purpose. But actually, how it is connected to the transformer and all that thing, we come to know after our visit at Voltam Transformers unit,
Okay.
Savli unit. So
Okay.
it's a great opportunity we got.
Yeah, yeah. So it's 1 year internship at a old time?
No, no, we have visited for 7 days only during
Mm-hmm.
our internship. But then after I have done a job
Okay,
after
okay.
completion of my BTech at Voltam
Mm.
Transformer. It is a Makarpura Maneja unit,
Yeah, yeah.
and it
Okay.
is 1 year. Yes.
Yeah, exact opposite to World Camp is my house, Lakshmi Nagar. I can see
Okay.
World Camp daily. just
Yes.
just on the road itself. Okay, okay. Very nice. So we can meet when next time I came to Vadodara.
Yeah,
Yeah.
sure.
Okay, okay. Very nice. Yeah. So in this entire 1 year, so what is the nature of your work there? I mean, it's like a trainee or what?
It's actually I got a job as a graduate trainee, but
Mm-hmm.
and I used to work on this. First of all, they taught me to make an offer. So I come to know that how to prepare an offer and how means what is customer requirement for
Mm-hmm.
making the transformer.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
that then after due to my interest, I talk with our HOD. So they and I would like to learn that design part of the transformer. So
Yeah.
he agree on that, and he allowed me to go in design
Mm.
department to learn the design of power and distribution transformer.
Okay.
So I learned that after, and then after. At the end of 1 year, I was able to make a design of HV and LV winding, how it will place in that
Yeah, yeah.
transformer. Then
Okay.
I was involved in the testing activity of the transformer. Basically, I was in a repairing department.
Servicing.
So we servicing department, yes. So once transformer burnt on that site, and how we have to check the fault in that transformer, that this part is damaged, that
Mm,
thing
mm.
I come to know uh,
Yeah,
uh, after my this job period,
yeah.
during my job period. And then after I was involved in testing, then designing of all that activities. Then
Mm.
I have to take a reading of that existing transformer data, and
Yeah,
that
yeah.
transformer is of other companies also. So we can means we come to know that how windings of in other industries are done in the transformer. So
Yeah,
we yes, and then we have to match that original design with our new design.
yeah.
It is somewhat a difficult task, but we managed to do that, and I have done
Okay.
satisfactorily that work.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Very nice. So I think so you are still continuing the working there or what?
No, actually, I left that job as
Okay.
I have to start my masters.
Hmm.
So
Okay, okay. Got it. No issue. No issue. Yeah. So you are not a just student now. You are professional also.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Wonderful. Yeah. So I'm just moving to another area, projects. Shunt hybrid filter and thyristor controller reactor, power quality related mainly. So can you speak few things about the project? What is that project and all?
Yes, in nowadays in industries, various reactive loads are used, such as induction motor, then furnace is there and all.
Yeah.
So there is a harmonics in the system. So the supply side power factor is poor. So to
Mm.
maintain that power factor to unity, we have to insert reactive power from some external circuit.
Okay.
So I we have to make such a circuit so that it will give reactive power as well as harmonic compensation current also, so that we can make a cur- har- means THD within the IEEE standard.
Okay.
So we have use the combination of shunt connected active power filter and passive power filter in series with a thyristor control reactor. So
Okay.
thyristor control reactor will basically uh, gives reactive power compensation requirement,
Yeah.
while the active filters and passive filter combination will give harmonic compensation requirement. So by achieving this, we got percentage THD within its range and
Yeah.
reactive power compensation. So we get unity power factor at input side.
Yeah. Yeah. So many things for today. Yeah, we discussed it so many things. It's not just an half an hour, it's entire your life. So I think it will give good recap for you also. Yeah, I hope
Yeah.
the information, whatever we discussed, it might be useful to the mainly the students and 1 or 2 years experienced professionals. They can think of different how different opportunities they can grab it. It may be in terms of internships, because those things, those internships or industrial visits, it gives better understanding for us, and we can choose job opportunities in a better way, because so after knowing some industry practices and all, we can what area we our interest is, and we can think like that. Yeah, it's wonderful journey, and very nice, Yashvi. Yeah, I'm so happy to listen and discuss with you. Yeah, this is not the end. We are going to do many more videos also in the coming days. Yeah,
Sure, sir.
thank
Nice to
you.
meet you, sir. Thank you. Thank you for
Yeah,
your time.
yeah. Thanks a lot. We will meet on another video. Thanks a lot, dear. Bye.
Bye.
Thank you, friends. Thank you. Thanks for watching. So this is about this interview with Ms. Yashvi. So I hope the information is very useful to you. If you have any questions or comments or anything, then do comment it in comment section. I'm ready to help you. And you can also connect with the guest. The details are available in the description. So you can connect with her. And so if you're watching the video for the first time, then do subscribe to this channel so that whenever I'm uploading videos, you will get notifications. You can simply click and watch it. Thank you. Bye, guys. We will meet in next video.